I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain.
Hello everyone, I'm with a new lesson and I'm gonna discuss how to pronounce the months of year in British English. Let's start. January is mispronounced like January or January, but the correct pronunciation is January. February, not February or February, the correct pronunciation is February. March, March. April, April, not April. May, not May. June or June, not June. July, not July. It's July. August or August. It's not August or August. It's going to be August or August. September, not September. The correct pronunciation is September. October, not October. It's going to be pronounced like natives. October. November, not November. December, not December.